Kathmandu Valley, an abode to tens of temples, hundreds of cultures, and thousands and millions of dreams. But
Nepal's capital is dealing with a stinking problem. A heap of garbage is growing at 𝗣𝗿𝗶𝘇 Square in Kathmandu.
The Bagmati River, Nepal's most sacred river, is also its most polluted.
A thick layer of smog enveloped the Nepal capital, Kathmandu.
if you had the power to change this, what would you do and how would you do it? To bestow upon you the power, we bring to you 𝗍𝗶𝗇, sustainable solutions to the plights of Kathmandu Valley. Among the 3 theme scopes based on SDG 6, SDG 7, and SDG 11, we challenge you to present your innovative and practical 𝗍𝗶𝗇 to sustainably solve any of them. A cleaner, beautiful Kathmandu Valley does not have to be a dream.